students, thanks so much for checking out this video. To check out Aspen, you guys are going to go under the family tabs at Knox County Schools, and then you're going to go into the Aspen Family Portal login. Now here, you're going to enter your student's ID number, so you'll type the S and then their student's login. That's their, starts with 10, and we put that in the front of your child's binder. And then once you enter that in, you can actually save it. Now, I've went ahead and logged into one of the students' Chromebooks here, and I've got, see where the yellow is? That's where their name should be. Your child's name should be there. You're gonna click on Academics. Then you're gonna scroll down and you can see all of your students' grades. Anything that's listed is gonna be right over in here. Now, to find specifically what your child, how they're doing, you can click on any of these subjects. So I'm gonna click on reading and writing, but remember, you're not done here. There's one more click you have to do, and that's in assignments. In assignments, you'll be able to see everything the teacher has entered, as well as what your child has scored. So remember, so academics, and in academics, you can select whatever the subject you want. And then once you get into that subject, you need to go and click on assignments. In assignments, you will see what the child has received as a grade. Now, if anything is ungraded, that's not your child's fault at all. That means that the teacher has not entered the score yet, and there's nothing to fret about. If you see your child has a missing, and this is a 0 down here, then you need to talk to your child because the grades have been entered and your child did not enter, have something turned in, and that needs to be turned in as soon as possible. I hope this is a great video that has helped you guys, and thanks so much for watching.